I'm up at the lovely Joondalup Resort with Executive Director of the HIA, John Jarvis. John, it's quite fitting being up here, isn't it? There's a lot going on in the northern suburbs, isn't there?
Oh, there really has, not just in the northern suburbs, but right through Western Australia. We've had 30,000 housing starts in WA this year, which is a record. But a lot of those have been in the northern suburbs, in particular areas like Alkimos and Brighton. There's some wonderful housing developments built by a lot of HIA members. It's been a wonderful year and seen unprecedented levels of housing and construction in WA.
And we're at the annual Golf Day to celebrate the year that's been and also to thank all of the great partners over the year.
Yeah, I think we've had 40 episodes within the West Real Estate program this year, and we've seen everything right through from apprentices and the great services that the HIA provides its members, but also we've seen Homes of the Year, and we've seen some of the magnificent events, the Kitchen and Bathroom Awards and Perth Housing Awards, and we've really been able to profile the residential housing sector to the Perth community, which has been great. We couldn't do the work that we do without the support of our partners, and all of the partners here today are really important to the HIA, in particular our media partner, the West Australian newspaper, and them being the naming rights partner of today's Golf Day is fantastic. We really appreciate their support. It's going to be a wonderful event and a great way to celebrate a great year within the residential housing sector.
Well, it's been great having the HIA on our show this year. We're looking forward to next year. If you'd like to have a look at some of the great segments we've done with the HIA, then jump onto our website, realestatetv.com.au.